Honorable Ojara Martin Mapenduzi, the Bardega Laibi Division Member of Parliament, officially signed a Memorandum of Understanding with the ruling National Resistance Movement (NRM) party. The signing took place during an official visit to the NRM head offices in Nakasero.
As we sign this cooperation agreement, I have the strongest belief that this is still in the spirit of doing good and serving our people, and I'm happy that I have signed it.
We don't look at other members of other political parties as our enemies. We look at them as partners in the struggle to develop Uganda. So I think it is in that spirit that Honorable Ojara Martin Mapenduzi has offered to sign an MOU with the National Resistance Movement Party. Because even when he was nominated by NUP, we did not complain as a party. So why should any other party complain now that he's signing with us? So it's part of unity in diversity.
So I hereby present him to formalize his association with the National Resistance Movement Parliamentary Caucus in form of signing a Memorandum of Understanding with the NRM party.